Welcome to Come As You Are Yoga. So if you're in yoga clothes, great. You can simply wear loose-fitting clothes, whatever's comfortable for you. And let's get started in child's pose. So big toes together, knees wide. And if your forehead does not touch the ground, then bring the floor up to meet your head with a block or whatever you have on hand. You may need a block, you may need a chair, you may not need any props at all. And then walk your hands forward and come into your breath, moving in and out through your nose. With every exhale, your hips are sinking deeper. And with every breath, you're feeling more and more calm and quiet. Accepting the invitation of this calming asana to go deeper within. Choose for yourself an intention for this practice, reminding you why you decided to do your asana practice right now. Dry your hands underneath your shoulders and then press yourself up. Take your block off to the side and then come to hands and knees and step your left leg forward to start, hands to the inside. So that left foot's over to the left a little bit. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, option to bend the elbows back towards the back wall. Maybe come onto forearms, maybe come onto props. Your choice. Feel the opening in the hips. Feel the protection, the engaging of the legs drawing in towards the midline. And into that, broadening your pelvic floor, getting more space. Pulling your low belly in gently for support. And then climb back up onto your hands if you went down. And gently switch sides. Stepping right foot forward. And again, inhale to lengthen. Exhale, choosing to move or choosing to not move. Feel how the exhale calms you down. A little bit longer exhales. Inhale, climb back up onto your hands and step your right foot back to meet your left. Vajrasana, sit down onto your heels, legs together, hands on your thighs. Take a breath. Back to hands and knees. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, and reach back with your strong, powerful legs. Lift your strong upper arm bones up towards the sky and softly, gently pull your heart through your hands. Slowly walk your feet forward towards your hands, and then walk your hands up your legs. Uttanasana, forward bend. If you have props, you can either use a chair if your hamstrings are tighter and you don't want to go that far, or you can use a block on whatever level is appropriate. So you would grab the chair seat and put the crown of your head on the chair seat. Walk your hands down the legs and breathe here. Or you could use a block. Same thing. So wherever you're at, your feet are parallel. Your legs are assisting you, strong and powerful. And you're touching your hands to something, even if it's your legs, not letting them dangle. So notice the quieting action here as you're bowing deeper into yourself. And there's this balance. The legs are working, supporting you. The feet and shins are drawing in towards the middle, the midline. The inner knees, the inner thighs are pressing outward so that you can wind the pelvic floor, wind your waistline, lift your low belly, tilting your pelvis top brim forward more. And then maybe you can extend just a little bit deeper through the crown of your head. Now take your hands to your legs, walking your hands up, come up to Tadasana, and take a breath here. Let's come down to sitting with your knees bent and your feet flat. We're going into Setubandha Sarvangasana, bridge pose, supported if you have support or unsupported if you don't. So if you have your block, put it on level 3, highest level, and then let's lie down. Inhale, lift your hips, and slide your block underneath your hips right onto the sacrum, feet flat and parallel. Stretching your arms, palms face up. You may close your eyes here if you're comfortable. Allowing yourself to deeply relax onto the block if you have it. Engaging your legs and your hips if you don't have a block. Feeling the benefits of this gentle inversion, engaging the parasympathetic nervous system, calming. Press down through your feet. Inhale, lift your hips, remove your prop. And then bring the soles of your feet together, knees open, Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly. And taking a few breaths here, letting your inner thighs gently open, feeling the openness that this asana requires. Hands to the outsides of your legs. Help your legs draw together. And then slowly straighten your legs one at a time for Shavasana. Turning your upper arms open externally so the palms face up. Shavasana. You may stay here as long as you like, as long as you have time for. Make sure if you like this video that you click the like button. That lets me know I'm doing a good job. You want more of those. So I'll make more. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.